Hello everyone, I'm explaining the Practicum 9. This program implement to the bank algorithm which is used in an operating system. Detect the unsafety state, avoid data algorithm, determine whether the safe sequence exists from exiting all processes. This program take the allocation maximum need and available resource to check whether the system is safe. Next, needed matrix calculation. The program first calculate the needed matrix where need is equal to max minus allocation. This tell how many resource each process may request. This code subtract each value of the allocated matrix from the maximum matrix. Safe state checking inside the s underscore so function. This step is happen. First, initiating final I check the track of the completion process. Safe underscore sequence store the final safe order. Work is copy of available resource. Check each process for each process. Check if need less than or equal to available for all resource type. If yes, the process can execute. Once completed, it reveals the allocation resource. These are added back to the work process in a marked finishes, added to the safe sequence. If no, skip it and check the next process. Step C, no allegation is possible. If once full cycle, no process can be executed, the system is unsafe. After the final result, if all the process finish is a safe state, if the process cannot finish as unsafe, this is the deadlock. The given the inputs are this is the code and the output is allocation matrix. This is the input and the matrix maximum matrix input. The available resource is 332. Needed matrix, we have subtracted the maximum minus allocation. The process 1 executed after process 2 is delayed, after process 3 executed, process 4 executed. Next P naught after executed P2. The system is safe, so the safe sequence is P1 P3 P4 P naught P2. Thank you.